how to show or hide certain edge panels on the lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Display. After click on Display, scroll down and click on Edge Panels. After click on Edge Panel, make sure Edge Panel button is turned on. After turn on Edge Panels, click on Panels and click on this three dot icon and click on Hide on Lock Screen. After click on if you want to hide edge panels on the lock screen, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see edge panel is hide on the lock screen. If you want to show edge panels on the lock screen, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see edge panel is hide on lock screen. So you will hide and show edge panels from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can hide or show certain edge panels on the lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.